It is a low bouncing kick that Skelton will take at the 4. Skelton straight forward up to the 15, still spinning, still going up to the 25. They're finally going to call him down at the 20-yard line. Forward progress was never stopped. He gained another 10 yards. Nice return by Skelton. That's a 20-yard return.
In this league, the line drive's good if you can get it to the wall. You don't want a line drive when you...
From the 5, handoff, Whitfield into the end zone for the touchdown. 4-yard run for Tim Whitfield. That is his 3rd rushing touchdown of the season, and Green Bay has a 6-0 lead with 11:56 on the clock. So on for the extra point is Nick Jaworski. Jaworski, 41 of 43 on extra points this year. Here's his kick, straight and true. We have 11 minutes and 29 seconds to play in our first quarter, and the Blizzard out front of the Pirates by a score of 7. Jaworski has it teed up. Going to kick it from the left side of the end zone. Try to avoid the scoreboard. Gets a lot under it, and it will come down about 4 yards deep. Durant comes up to the 4, and that is all. Good tackle downfield from Sean Steele II on special teams. Well, Jaworski had this one placed perfect, gave his coverage team plenty of time to get under it.
Great kick by Jaworski. It's tough.
Sheehan fakes the handoff. Wants to throw, has a man open, caught for the touchdown. That is Stephen Newbold, who backs his way into the end zone for his 9th touchdown reception of the season. Number 32 pass for Sheehan, and it's a 13-7 advantage for Green Bay. He was open. Chucky Williams, I think, knew the coverage wasn't quite right. You could see him putting his hands on his head as that pass was being thrown. He knew it was going to be 6. So the Michelob Ultra Skycam shows the alignment here for the Pirates with a 4-man front at the extra point. Nick Jaworski. Bad snap. The placement got down, and the kick is good. It rolled back to the holder, but somehow Mamadou and Bot. This will be 3 yards deep, just like the last kick. To the 5, up to the 7, and that is all. Claiborne with the tackle as he throws Durant into the boards. So real nice kicks from Jaworski is, by the time that catch is made, there's only about 2 seconds before contact is made. 6 at the 11. Carrington in motion. Looking
Going
his
deep.
way. Intercepted. It's picked off by Claiborne. And Claiborne brings it all the way back to the 20 and whistled down at the 24. For Claiborne, that is his 2nd interception of the season. Kind of double coverage here, and Trayvon Claiborne goes under, intended for Carrington, and picked it off.
Yeah, threw it into double coverage. He didn't throw it long enough. Tough throw. Great catch by the defender there to get the interception and the turnover.
And that's a Bud Light turnover, and their lead. Jaworski's kick is good. Bulls kick. Will drive Newbold back about 5 yards in the end zone. Oh, nice return. Finds a seam and still going all the way to the 10-yard line. Was not hit. Did he hit the wall? They're going to argue maybe he did, but they're going to spot it right now at the 7. What a return by Stephen Newbold. He took this one 5 yards deep, made Lucas Dennis miss, and Carrington tried to pull him down, and he stayed away from the wall, and finally brought down at the 7. Great return. Kick. He's going to try to emulate the kick from Jaworski. And here is Skelton about 4 yards deep, makes one miss, and he's on his way to the 20. Here's a flag to the 25. Still going all the way to the 10. Still on his feet down to the 6-yard line. But a flag came out about 10 seconds ago. So let's just hold on. But what a return by Skelton for a touchdown. Cureton makes the catch in one-on-one coverage. He's up to the 11-yard line. Good enough for a first down. Clean so far. Here's the kick on the way, and this one is good. 14:37 on the clock at the 14. Sheehan wants to throw to the end zone. Caught. That's a touchdown as over the wall goes Taylor.
What a catch. Wow.
There is a flag on the play. Might have been a little interference. Taylor might be shaken up.
Illegal contact.
Another look at it.
Little stop and go. Dennis Bitt. Great hands. Way to finish that play.
And Chucky Williams helped him over the dasher for sure. So he gets this little hip check. Boom. What a catch.